Let's all scare the bridge to get rid of its hiccups. When I count to 3, say boo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo!
Wow, that was really scary. Hey, it worked! Thanks for helping me get rid of my hiccups. But my pieces are all mixed up.
Don't worry, Briggs. We can play a math game to find the right shapes to fill in your pieces. What shape goes here? Right, a circle. What shape goes here? Correct, a square. What shape goes here? Right, a triangle. What shape goes here? Yeah, a rectangle. Now, what shape goes here? Right, that's a pentagon. Yay! We put the bridge back together again.
Thank you, thank you.